I'd like to take a moment while I'm looking for fish here to tell you a little bit about how to set up your graph to make yourself more efficient. You can see that I'll go from shallow and then I'll go down the break line to deep. As you can see here, I'm searching. Now this is interesting because right here is a fish, and then these are smelt. You can see as we go deeper, the smelt are deeper. Right on that break was a fish. Now, how do I see that while the boat's moving? What I'll do is two things. I'll go to a 2x zoom on the graph itself. That actually blows the picture up slightly, and I can really look at the detail on 2D. The other thing that I'll do is I'll go into the menu and then I'll hit advanced, and you can see there's a section called scroll speed. I increase that to 2. Scroll speed means that that's how fast the picture is moving across the screen. It allows me to see a clear picture while I'm moving pretty quickly with the boat, and it'll zoom the whole area in. Between those two functions, I can see some really cool things.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.